thank you for sharing your food, Brady. That's nice.
Jesus.
Hey Max, I got more pumpkins. Do you know where the other ones were? I want to set that thing up. Can't find them anywhere though.
You eating my rice, Bowie? You like brown rice? Yeah? Hmm.
It was actually really funny because he was,
I see it.
oh my gosh. What's that dog doing? What's he doing? Yeah, it was only a tongue at first. Oh. He was so sneaky.